Hi, I'm Natalie from Scraping Solutions. Last week, I made a quick video about how our Craigslist leads can help you grow your business while you're stuck at home in isolation. We got a lot of interest and some great feedback, so I thought I'd make another quick video about our Zillow lead generation service. So, Zillow lead generation is one of our best-selling products. When Zillow first launched in 2006, everyone was totally unprepared for just how much it would disrupt the established real estate industry. In the last 7 years, its users have grown by 141 million monthly users, and they now get over 7 billion visits a year. With over 110 million homes on Zillow's database, and with new listings being created every second, keeping up and finding the time to search through properties becomes impossible to do manually. Our clients need new leads quickly and efficiently to stay ahead of their competition and still allow them time with their family and friends. No one wants to be stuck staring at a screen all day. That's where Zillow lead generation from Scraping Solutions comes in. We provide you with actual property owners' email addresses and phone number based on a property address so you can talk directly with the owner rather than the agent. This is called skip tracing. We also gather a whole host of additional property information such as financials, tax details, mortgage history, and comparable properties that we include with your leads. Here's how it works in 3 really simple steps. Step 1. Create a job on our portal with your search criteria to receive leads. Step 2, wait a couple of hours until your leads are ready. Step 3, choose which leads you want to receive the property owner's phone number and email address rather than the agent details, and you'll have them within a few hours. Don't forget, Zillow also have a for sale by owner category where we can get the property owner data straight away. But skip tracing can be very useful when you want to reach rental property owners or other listings that don't include property owners' phone numbers or email addresses. We even have a done-for-you SMS marketing service where we simply generate leads, run your SMS marketing campaigns, filter out any unsubscribed messages, and send you daily leads from customers who are waiting for a call from you. It's that simple. The whole process only takes 10 minutes of your day to get started. Sign up for an exclusive free trial using the link in the description below and discover the power of Zillow leads for your business today. The most amazing thing is it's only going to cost you $99 and there are no other monthly fees. So click the link below to get started with a free trial. And yes, no credit card needed. You don't have to buy anything until you see the results. Finally, and most importantly, stay safe, stay home, and take this time to really refocus your energy on your loved ones. But at the same time, maybe rethink some of your business strategies and the way you're going to go about this for the next 6 to 12 months.